storage net on the Devon storage idea, and also on the further storage when the roof is popped up. You can see where it comes out here, and they slide back and cover a huge amount of space, and a lot of stuff can go up above. I have a little hook here, and there's another hook on the opposite side, great for doing a washing line inside to dry out any wet clothes. Here's the carbon monoxide tester and temperature, inside temperature gauge. So over we go to the kitchen unit. Fantastic little storage unit. Has a 2-burner stove here, a worktop surface. You have a grill underneath as well. You have running water from a pump, electric pump. You have a pull out. You can just see it there below the drawer here. Again, a cutting board. Plenty of storage. Good size of a sink. A good fridge. It has a little mini freezer in it as well. This is where the gas is, and lots of room for storage for pots and further bits and pieces. And in the second drawer beside it is your pantry and water storage. Not a lot of storage, hence the storage on the back and the adventure bumper, but plenty of room in here for foods and stuff along with your fridge.
Sound